It's Laurie Scherer with my partner.
Dan Karp with the Karp Group.
I'm going to talk to you today about image, and in particular Zillow. I know a lot of people who are curious about homes. It's one of the first places they look to just do a little bit of internet surfing for homes, local homes. And we wanted to kind of talk about what you don't see or what you don't know about the house or the community that you're looking at on Zillow. And I kind of think Zillow is kind of like TikTok. You know, you see a little bit of image about something like, I'll take for instance, I love recipes. So I see a great recipe on TikTok and I try to make it, and it certainly doesn't come out the same way. So I think that's what happens sometimes in homes that are being presented on Zillow, is you don't really get the full effect of the house itself, the street, the community, the neighbors, the local amenities.
Yeah, I think when you're looking on Zillow, there's a couple of things that are there to grab attention. One is its estimate. Mm-hmm. How accurate is his estimate? Number two, it says book a tour. If you look on the Zillow, it'll say book a tour for a specific time, or it'll say contact agent. More often than not, you're not actually contacting the listing agent, you're contacting a buyer's broker that is on the Zillow platform.
Who has paid to be found.
Who has paid to be found, or who is in a specific program. And we're in that program too, so we understand what it's like. But when we have our own listings, we want to be able to talk directly to the buyer to explain what the benefits of the listing are and help sell our seller's property. In part, clarifying information that isn't clear on Zillow. Is it in a country club? As people see HOA fees and they say, hey, I see the HOA fees are there. Are there any other fees? Well, yeah, there's a country club fee. There's food and beverage minimums. There's other things that go in that just aren't necessarily privy to the general consumer on Zillow. So there's so many times where if you are looking for a property, you want to talk to your agent about, hey, I'm looking for a specific property, and let them be the one to set you up so that you're not wasting time and it becomes more efficient through the process. But as you go through Zillow or frankly Realtor.com or Homes.com mm-hmm. or any site, you'll see a lot of information that is very surface, but you don't necessarily get into the details of it. And I'll just speak to this estimate real quick. It's very hard to run comps without ever stepping foot into a house. And that's what Zillow and these algorithms will project. They don't know if the roof is 30 years old or if it was new. They don't know if the HVACs were replaced 2 years ago or they're 18 years old. Hot water heaters, electric. They don't know if the quality of the interior of the home. So it's going to throw out a number based on some data that they're collecting, and they have a lot of data, but it's not going to be the accurate number that a seller or a buyer should go off of.
So we still need human involvement and human interaction to customize that valuation.
And ask the right questions to be able to customize those answers for the particular person.
So although you may see something that looks amazing and you want to make that your next home, you could be very disappointed that what you see is not really what you'd be getting. So make sure you do your due diligence and you have somebody who can really guide you through the process.